Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making zucchini fritters. These taste really good and on top of that they are healthy. You can have these any time of the day as a snack or even as a meal. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 3 medium zucchinis that are grated, 1 medium onion that is finely chopped, 2 green chilies that are finely chopped, half a cup of besan or chickpea flour, 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese that is grated, 1.5 teaspoons of red chili powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, some salt as per your taste, and 1 tablespoon of dry mango powder. First, you will add in 1 teaspoon of salt to the zucchini. And you will mix the salt into the zucchini and set the mixture aside. Zucchini has a lot of water and we will need to squeeze out all of the water from it. Adding salt helps to draw out the moisture so that the process is faster. You will let the zucchini sit for 15 minutes and then you will take a large bowl and a large sifter. Over the sifter, you will put on a thin kitchen cloth and then you will spoon in the zucchini mixture. And then you will pick up the cloth and squeeze the zucchini mixture out. You have to make sure to squeeze the zucchini really hard because zucchini has a lot of water in it. Once you have squeezed out all of the water from the zucchini, you will put the zucchini into a large mixing bowl. And to the zucchini, you will add in the onions, the green chilies, the besan or chickpea flour, and the paneer or cottage cheese. And then you will give all of these a good mix. And then we will put in the remaining ingredients. So you will add in the red chili powder, the coriander powder, the dry mango powder, and some salt. Then you will give these a good mix. Once the mixture is ready, we will start shaping the fritters. So you will just put some of the mixture into your hand and then you will roll it into a ball. If needed, you can add some more mixture to the ball. Then you will flatten it out a little bit and you will place it on a plate. You will repeat these steps until all of the mixture has been used up. There are 2 ways you can cook these fritters. The first way is to use an air fryer. So you can just put them in the air fryer and cook each side for around 10 minutes. The second way is to bake them in an oven. So you can put them in an oven that is preheated to 200 degrees Fahrenheit and cook them on each side for 6 to 7 minutes. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. Make sure to follow my Instagram account. See you in the next video.